Hello everybody, and today will be a very short video about building the drone. So, we need a drone which will be 2 each, really small. It should have a digital video system, so I'm looking to the DJI 04, and it should have enough power to do some freestyle, so it shouldn't be cine rope. So, let's quickly talk about the parts. So, here I have Chinese frame, and important thing is about that it actually has 3D printed part here for camera. So we can redesign it and reprint it later if we need it for a different camera. We're using DJI 04, it's a little bit tricky now, so we need to keep that in mind. And later I'll show how I solve this problem. So for the flight controller, ESC and Express ELRS, I've used an all-in-one, which is from Jinimi MCU, Chinese company. By the way, I have no problem with that. It flies absolutely fantastic. For the motors, I've decided to go for T motor, 7050 kV, and I made a mistake here. Ideally, I should take an 600 kV for 4S, and later it will be having a consequences. I will take a minute to explain it. But by now, it's brilliant. I'm happy with them. On the 2S, this motor gives enough punch. The drone flies just fantastically.
Okay, couple words about the build. Yes, I glued GPS. About the screws, M2 16mm are perfect for the mounting both O4 and IR. The soldering of wires, it's really pain, but it's okay, you can manage it. And time to talk about O4. Remember, it's extremely fragile, so you need to be extremely careful about installing it. I have an 3D printed bracket which converts it to this 14mm, so I can set in in a canopy but being provided by manufacturer of the frame. It will be really annoying to break any connector from the first go, so it should be very gently pushing and very gentle all actions. I used 2 screws to mount it, so it's looking something like that, and it's okay, it works perfectly. And then about wiring, always check voltages! Always. And then I needed to solder GPS. One thing I forgot is that I have my motor 7500 kV, which are more until 3S. When you're actually setting it to the 4S, your drone will be just very crazy and will be just take off when you're just pressing up. Another thing I'm doing here is just setting my normal weights I usually fly on my old drones. So, and then we'll be having a flight test and I will be explain how the drone flies. It flies really nice, I would say. It has a large punch, it going quick, so it's not a problem. However, there's one issue I didn't really like about DJI 04 Lite. It's really easy picking up any jello, and it's really annoying. You can see I have some jello. I have some oscillations on the frame. It's not fully DJI 04 fault, but still, it's like a big problem that I will need to fix it somehow. Talking about DJI 04, except that issue, it's doing amazing job. Like as you can see, I'm flying currently in 100 milliwatts, and I have 60 megabits, no problem. How much I had on my field, so brilliant.
And it's everything for today, so goodbye.